I'm Dr. William Collins Asare, the administrator of the COVID-19 National Trust Fund. I want to thank everybody, all Ghanaian people, corporate bodies, for the great amount of support in funding and other material output that you gave to us from the time that our institution was set up in April 2020. Through the resources that you gave to us, we've been able to do a lot of things in this combat against the pandemic. First of all, we've been able to procure and distribute to more than 180 CHIPS compound care management centers and major hospitals throughout the country with the PPEs. We did, in particular, large distributions together in Tamale, in Takoradi, in Kumasi, and in Accra. Despite all the efforts that we are making, the government institutions like ours, the battle still continues because there are new variants even in the COVID-19, which has come up, found first in the UK, and which is going to make the beating of the pandemic a little longer than we probably would have thought. But as we know, we should continue to go by what has helped those countries which have followed the protocols. That is, you wash your hands with soap and running water, use a sanitizer as often as you can, particularly when you don't have water to wash your hands, adhere to social distancing protocols, especially when you have public meetings, and above all, the mask. This is the time in particular when we should be each other's keeper and try to help each other as much as we can and ensure that we assist in getting this pandemic over and behind us. Thank you very much. Edamwase papa akwenami wondanyeshi.